In the early days of the 9th century, Norway was a land of many small kingdoms, constantly warring with each other for power and territory. It was during this time that a young warrior named Harald Fairhair emerged as a leader who would change the course of history. Harald was born into one of the royal families of Norway, but his path to the throne was not an easy one. As a young man, he had to fight off rivals and enemies who sought to kill him and seize his land. But despite these challenges, Harald was determined to unite Norway under his rule. His first major victory came in 872, when he defeated a rival king named Gandalf and took control of western Norway. Over the next few years, he continued to expand his territory, defeating other rival kings and subjugating their lands. His conquests earned him the nickname Fairhair, because he vowed not to cut his hair until he had united all of Norway under his rule. In 885, Harald succeeded in his goal when he defeated the last remaining rival king and declared himself the first king of Norway. He established his capital at a place called Kaupang, which would later become the city of Trondheim. As king, Harald worked to centralize power and establish a strong centralized government. He created a system of local governors, or jarls, to administer his territories, and he introduced a uniform system of law and taxation throughout the country. He also encouraged trade and commerce, which helped to make Norway a prosperous and influential nation. Harald's reign was not without its challenges, however. Many of the old ruling families resented his power, and there were frequent rebellions and uprisings against his rule. Nevertheless, Harald remained a powerful and respected leader until his death in 933. Today, Harald Fairhair is remembered as the founder of Norway, and his legacy can still be seen in the country's strong sense of national identity.